Hi Sam. It's great to see you again. Today, we're going to learn the word
Rest.
Hi Alex.
Reste.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Rest.
has a few meanings in English. It most commonly refers to a break or a period of relaxation. You can also think of it as the remaining part of something, like the rest of the cake. But beware, as a false friend.
Rest.
In German doesn't mean.
Rest.
Like in English, it specifically means.
Remainder. Rest.
In the context of something left over.
Ah, got it. So, what else can you tell me about its usage?
Well, let's dive into the grammar. The word
Rest.
is a masculine noun, so it uses the article.
Der.
The plural form is.
Die Reste.
You can imagine it as referring to various leftovers or remainders. In the present tense, you might say,
Ich habe einen Rest.
meaning I have a remainder. In the past tense, you could say,
Ich hatte einen Rest.
and in the perfect, it would be.
Ich habe einen Rest gehabt.
So, it's like saying I had a remainder.
Exactly. And if you want to tell someone to keep some, you might say,
Behalte den Rest.
meaning keep the rest.
That's really helpful. Where does the word
Reste.
come from?
The origin of
Rest.
goes back to Old High German
Resti.
and Middle High German.
Rest.
It has roots in Latin as well, where the word
Restituere.
means to restore or give back. Over time, its meaning has evolved to focus on what's left or remaining after something has been taken away.
That's fascinating. I love learning about word origins.
Now, let's break down the word a bit. The root is,
Rest.
which means remainder, and there are no prefixes or suffixes here. Since it's a standalone word, we don't need to think about compound formations today.
So simple.
Yes. But there are similar words we can explore. For instance, with the same root, consider,
Restaurierung.
which means restoration, and,
Restposten.
which refers to leftover stock. If we look at words with the same suffix, we have,
Verrest.
meaning to remain, and,
Abrest.
which means to stay behind.
Those sound interesting.
And if we consider the idea of remnants, you might find words like
Überrest.
meaning remains, and
Zuvrest.
meaning additional remainder. There's also
Ehrest.
which refers to a remnant in a more specific context.
Wow, that's a lot of words. Can you give me some situations where I might use?
Rest,
Sure. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You could say,
Ich möchte den Rest mitnehmen.
meaning I would like to take the rest home. Or when discussing homework, you might say,
Der Rest ist einfach.
meaning the rest is easy. Finally, in a meeting, you could mention,
Wir müssen den Rest der Agenda besprechen.
meaning we need to discuss the rest of the agenda.
Let me try.
ich möchte den Rest mitnehmen.
Perfect. Now how about the next one?
Der Rest ist einfach.
Great job. And the last one.
Wir müssen den Rest der Agenda besprechen.
Well done.
Is there a way to remember that?
Rest,
Is masculine.
Yes. Since it ends in, you could think of the masculine king of leftovers. Just picture a king sitting on a throne of leftovers.
That's a funny image.
When using this word, it's generally informal, so you can use it in casual conversations. Typical collocations include phrases like,
Der Rest der Welt.
meaning the rest of the world,
Den Rest aufessen.
meaning to eat the rest, and
Der Rest ist Geschichte.
meaning the rest is history.
I see. Are there words I should be careful not to mix up with?
Rest,
Yes. Don't confuse it with,
Rast.
which means a rest stop or break. They sound similar but have different meanings.
Got it. Can you give me a few full sentences using?
Rest,
Of course. Here are a few.
Ich habe den Rest des Kuchens gegessen.
Which means I ate the rest of the cake. Another one is,
Hast du den Rest der Aufgaben fertig?
meaning did you finish the rest of the tasks? And one more could be,
Die Reste vom Abendessen sind im Kühlschrank.
which translates to the leftovers from dinner are in the fridge.
Those are really useful.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What is the article for?
Rest.
It's
der,
Correct. What does
Rest.
mean in English?
remainder or leftovers.
Right. Can you say a sentence with?
Rest.
In past tense.
ich hatte einen Rest.
Good. What is the plural form of?
Rest.
Reste,
Exactly. And lastly, can you remember a similar word we discussed?
Überrest,
Yes. You did great. To summarize, today we learned about the word.
Rest.
It means remainder, it's a masculine noun, and its origins are quite interesting. Remember its usage in daily life, and don't forget the fun memory trick.
Thanks, Alex. This was really helpful. I'll practice using
Rest.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep up the good work, and see you next time.